Hey, Lean Body Sculpting System by Modere. What is it? Does it work? Is this weight loss system all that it's cracked up to be? And can you take it if you are a guy or a girl? Does it matter? If we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. In this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same tips that I've used to hit the top ranks of my company. So make sure you like this channel and subscribe so that you never miss out. All right, let's talk about Modere's Lean Body Sculpting System. You've probably heard all of the rage. Is it really worth it? Does it really work? And what products are there in this sculpting system? And what do you need to eat on this sculpting system? So first, let me talk to you about my guy. This is Cody. Cody is on my team, guys. Do you see this? He has lost 30 pounds in 3 months, okay? He has tried everything. And when I mean everything, he has tried everything. He was feeling hopeless. He was feeling lethargic. He was feeling depressed. He didn't want to look in the mirror. He did not like what he saw. So he started this lean body sculpting system with the hopes of having success. But let's be honest, he didn't think it was going to work for him, right? Because he tried so many other things and they didn't work. But look at Cody and look at the success that he is having. Right now, he is fitting into his scrubs. He is a nurse. He is feeling more confident. He is able to get through his day with more energy, more enthusiasm, and he is feeling and looking absolutely amazing. This is my girl, Miranda. This is 40 pounds in 5 months with 36 inches gone. She has cut out her sugary drinks. She has cut out fried food or limited it, so she says. And she has also done a low carb, eats, drinks lots of water. All right, guys, look at these results. This is my girl, Jolene, another one on my team, 10 pounds gone in 10 days. Guys, look at, she is a mom of triplets, all right? She is getting her mom bod back and she loves the way that she looks when she is looking in the mirror. It's absolutely amazing. So yes, you can have success on this lean body sculpting system. And what I want you to do is I'm gonna go over quickly some of the products in it, but there's a link in the comments and there is also a description of all of the different products in this video series that I'm linking up for you. So let's talk about it. What is the Lean Body Sculpting System by Modere? All right, the first product that comes with it is our trim. Now, trim is clinically proven to shrink fat cells because it has CLA, but not all CLA is created equal, and this is clinical strength CLA. It also has Modere's 7 international patented collagen in it. All right, so think joints, hair, skin, nails. It helps with all of this, okay? So this is going to shrink your belly fat. Can you say goodbye to the belly fat? That's what we all want to have happen, right? So this comes in chocolate, it comes in coconut lime, it comes in vanilla, and it comes in lemon. My 2 personal favorites is the chocolate and the coconut lime. All right, so this is trim, and you will see there's a video linked to explaining trim that I'm linking as well. This is burn, all right? This capsules you take 3 times a day. It's got a ton of energy, but it doesn't give you the jitters. It has caffeine in it, but not too much. It's like a cup of green tea, okay? And it just speeds up your metabolism. It gives you a ton of energy. It's going to make you feel very good throughout the day, especially when you start to have those dips and those lulls when you're starting to drag. This is going to help. So this is the burn. It also comes in the lean body sculpting system. And then the last one is the activate. And activate is a 3-day eating cleanse that you take at night. You put it over a glass of ice, and basically what it does is it's detoxing your liver, it's detoxing your body. But what I love about activate is that you are actually eating on this cleanse, right? So you're not starving yourself. So there's another video that's linked to Activate that goes into a little bit more detail about the product. So make sure you check out that video as well. My question for the day for you is, have you ever tried a diet system and has it not worked? Put it in the comments below. What I love about Modere's Lean Body Sculpting System is it's actually a way of life. It's not that you're taking a million shakes for your meal supplements and then when you're done taking the shakes, all the weight comes back. You are eating regular, healthy, everyday foods that are in proportion, right? So we can splurge once in a while, but you have to, these just help you supplement and build your body up the way, so that it's optimized for losing weight. And that's what the Lean Body Sculpting System is. So that's what I love about it. It's not a diet. It's not a fad diet. It's actually a way of life, all right? And so what I have for you is I have a $10 off coupon on your Lean Body Sculpting System. So make sure in the description of this video, you click on the link to get your $10 off coupon for your Lean Body Sculpting System. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds with another edition of Julie Reynolds TV. I will see you next week back here for another episode. Have a good one.